paper, scissors, shoot. Who goes first?
Oh my goodness.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah! Yes! Yes. Yes. Get this all alone.
No, I gotta wait till you get yours. I'm not gonna show you mine. Okay? So now it's your turn. Now we made a big hole later.
Can we look at it over?
Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Which one do you have?
Oh, I either have coconut or baby
Nice.
wipes.
We have the same color! We both have white!
Oh, this is.
So it's either one baby wipes or coconut. So
Or both of us get to get one.
1. Remember, you gotta bite on it for at least 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Bite. Ah! Baby wipes.
I don't want to.
You gotta keep biting on it and see if you can swallow it.
Oh! Mommy, it's more dark.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah!
Dang it!
Can't show it to me, okay?
Oh, this is bad. Real bad.
Okay, we'll reveal in 3, 2, 1. You got white again? That's gonna be coconut. Okay, so yours is either gonna be baby wipes or coconut again. Mine is either gonna be toothpaste or berry blue, which I'm pretty sure that both tastes pretty good. So 1, 2, 3, go. I got toothpaste. Oh, this is good.
Baby wipes.
Again? I like mine, but I'm not a big fan of gelatin candy, so I'm not gonna swallow it. But I can pour it.
Oh my.
Mine's is good.
Oh
Now my breath smells good.
Yeah, good.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Are you for real?
Show it to me.
Oh!
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So, what you get? Oh. So yours is either skunk spray or licorice. Make up. No, you don't like that. Go ahead, go play. And mine's is either grape, barf,
Mama? Please say it more.
or peach. So
I can't keep it on. I think your licorice is so
you gotta bite in. 3, 2, 1, go. So good. I had barf.
I think I had skunk spray.
Did you even bite it?
Yes, I did. Look at this.
Nito,
I didn't.
you barely So you either got booger or juicy pear.
Oh, come on! Juicy!
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Coconut!
Oh!
It's not pear? Where is it? Oh no! Ew, my dog just ate booger.
Oh!
Coming out. Okay. This will be the last one. So far, I've had toothpaste, which I win, and coconut, which I win. Do you have any good ones? Nope. You didn't have any good ones.
I feel like I'm you from last time.
Ready?
Shoot.
Bang, bang, bang. Let's go. You can't see, you can't see, you can't see. Next one. Got it. Let's go.
Oh, let me see what color it is.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. So you either have barf or peach. I either have booger or juicy pear. 1, 2. I don't know which one I have. I don't know if that's good or bad. I think it's pear.
I couldn't, but I couldn't. I could.
Pear. Juicy pear.
That was disgusting. First little bite, I think.
You take baby bites. He takes baby bites.
Well, can I have some? No. What's that?
No.
What's that? Stop spitting some out! My goodness.
Okay, now tell them. What that was. Challenge and see you.
This is the challenge, and we'll see you later.